When? -2.3 billion years. Event. Siderian period ends and Triassian period begins. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. Notes. Bushveld igneous complex forms. Huronian glaciation. When? -2.05 billion years. Event. Triassian period ends and Orogeny period begins. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. Notes. The atmosphere becomes oxygenic. Bradford and Sudbury Basin asteroid impacts. Much orogeny or mountain formation. Pinocchian and Trans-Hudsonian orogenies in North America. Kimban orogeny, Gawler Craton in Australian continent begins. When? -2.005 billion years. Event. Glenburgh orogeny, Glenburgh terrane, Australian continent begins. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. When? -2 billion years. Event. Early Rooker orogeny in Antarctica begins. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. When? -1.92 billion years. Event. Glenburgh orogeny, Glenburgh terrane, Australian continent completes. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. When? -1.8 billion years. Event. Orosirian period ends and Siderian period begins. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. Notes. First complex single-celled life. Protists with nuclei. Transylvanian biota. Columbia is the primordial supercontinent. Kimban orogeny in Western Australian continent ends. Yapungu orogeny in Yilgarn Craton in Western Australia. When? -1.7 billion years. Event. Early Rooker orogeny in Antarctica completes. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. When? -1.68 billion years. Event. Mangaroon Orogeny begins on the Gascoyne Complex in Western Australia. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. When? -1.65 billion years. Event. Caron orogeny. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. Notes. Gawler Craton, South Australia. When? -1.62 billion years. Event. Mangaroon orogeny ends. Reference. Wikipedia. Geologic Times. Donate on Patreon.